Consult berths in Apics Barge. In the Berth Occupation module, you can consult a map showing all the berths in port. You can zoom in and out using the scroll wheel of your mouse, or by means of the plus and minus buttons. Or you can zoom straight into your current location by clicking the My Location button. The green zones on the map are berths where you can moor with your barge. In order to know how long you can stay moored at this berth, use the time slider, which shows the status of the berth in the near future. As soon as a red rectangle appears, a seagoing vessel will occupy the berth. You must leave the berth before her arrival, and thus this time. For an overview of all other functions and facilities, such as tanker berths or shore power units, please consult the legend. Here you can activate and deactivate certain items at your preference. You can filter on the allowed berths at the top of the legend. You can search for berths or seagoing vessels using the search bar.